Today we will show you our first experience with casting. Lost foam casting is considered the easiest. We will only need a piece of styrofoam, some sand, and of course a source of heat capable of melting aluminum. As always, we start with the design. It is easy to make a draft pattern with an ordinary stationery knife. We thought using a drill with burrs for metal would be easy, and it was. Too easy, even. We ruined the first pattern. We had to be more careful, and it was decided to finish the small details after the casting. Now it's time to cover the pattern with sand. We found an empty beer keg and it was the perfect size. When the aluminum melted, we added a ball with a bit of baking soda and salt. This helps clean the metal. Then, we collected the scraps with the same stainless steel spoon. Now it's time for aluminum to go in the mold. Okay, a few finishing touches and we're ready. See what it can do.